Teach me how to pray.
Honestly, the hardest hair to maintain is the transition hair. In case anybody doesn't know what transition hair is defined as hair that is in between the natural hair and the relaxed hair. That is, your natural hair is from the root to a certain point. That is, this point here is the natural hair, while from this point to the root, to the tip, of your hair is the relaxed hair. So natural transitioned hair is when you don't want to have that big chop up in your for your hair, so you transition it. That is, it's not that you will not trim it, but you'll be cutting it bit by bit as it grows longer. That's transitioned hair. Hello everyone, welcome to Time with Bailey, and today I'm going to be telling you guys 5 ways to keep your transitioned hair healthy. From what I said previously, what transition hair is, so I'm not going to define it again, and I'm going to jump straight right to the ways, or should I say points, I'm going to give you to maintain your transition hair, because our transition hair breaks easily. It is prone to breakage, dryness, all the things that we don't want our hair to be. That's what that transition hair is. So as I said before, it is the hardest hair to maintain and to keep healthy. Point number 1, you guys should try as much as possible to avoid it styling as you can avoid it. Like all this, let me explain myself. It styling means, all these instruments that you guys used to, that we use, don't let me say you guys now, that we use to make our hair more fashionable, like more, that will make sense, like coiling. Now we make use of that coiler and hair dryer, hair straightener, anything that involves it that will put into our hair. Please, you guys should try as much as possible to avoid it. You guys should try as much as possible to avoid it, because when you put more it into your, even, I'm not going to say transition hair now, into your normal hair, when you put too much heat into your hair, when you put too much heat into your hair, it breaks it. Yes, so if you put it like twice a week, reduce it to twice a month now, because your hair is transitioning to natural hair. So you should try as much as possible to reduce it. The second point here is to experiment your hair with protective hairstyle carefully. There are protective hairstyles that are suitable to protect your hair, while there are some protective hairstyles that are not suitable to protect your hair. Like what I'm putting on my head now is like, I just made my hair into braids with my natural hair because I don't have time. This is the most easiest, cheapest, and most reliable way to protect your hair. This is the most reliable way of protecting your hair. That's braids. There are some styles like the styles that you make from your edge down, like Ghana weaving. You guys should try as much as possible to stop making that hair, because it is not, to me, in my own opinion, it is not a protective hairstyle at all. So you guys should try as much as possible to what was I saying? Okay, you guys should try as much as possible to stop making the air. Why am I struggling? Oh my god. The third point here is that you should trim your hair regularly. I'm going to tell you guys my story. Okay, when my hair was still relaxed, like my hair was reaching like back, yeah. But the most embarrassing thing here is that number one, it is very very light. That means when I comb it breaks easily, and like I feel and I know that it is not healthy. And number two, which is very embarrassing, is that the two sides here of my hair, they are longer than the middle. So when I comb it down, the hair, yeah, the hair two sides will be reaching here, while the middle will be reaching the back, like the back of my neck here. So it is very embarrassing. I cannot make any style that I can comb down and stuff like that. So I was like, okay, what's the point of having long hair? And I do trim my hair regularly then too. But no matter what, I still have long hair here and short hair at the middle. But when I start transitioning my hair, I realized that even when I was lazy to trim the hair, I still get to this point that the middle hair is already meeting the edge, the sides, or should I say the sides of my hair, they are meeting the middle. I don't know which one is meeting which one, but I know that they are almost regular. And I'm very I was very happy when I discovered it, and I started trimming my hair regularly. Now you will not notice the difference between the middle and the side unless like I just put it down very well for you guys. Right now I don't want to scatter my hair, it's difficult to pack, so the fourth point here, the fourth point is that you guys should wash your hair less. I myself am a very lazy person. Yes, I'm very lazy, so washing hair like every week or maybe twice a week, no, that's not for me. Let us say that at least I wash it twice in 2 weeks, isn't it? Yes. So I don't wash my hair that regularly normally. So this fourth point is for the lazy people like me. I don't wash my hair regularly. So when you wash your hair less, the moisture in your hair will not fade away, will not wash away. Let us say it like that. English. When you wash your hair less, the moisture in your hair will not wash away. What am I saying? Fade away. Your hair, as I said before, they will root to a point, that natural hair, and that tip to that point. You know that point that I was talking about? Let us use this hair that's fine about. This point here, let us say this point that I'm holding out is the point where the natural hair meets and the relaxed hair meets. This point exactly is a very delicate point, and when you wash your hair, wash it, the moisture here, it can cause breakage, and you will use this. Imagine me losing this amount of hair. I'm not going to, I'm not going to, Honestly, I'm not going to like it. So you guys should wash your hair less. The last but not the least point here is that you should condition your hair more often. I'm not saying that condition where after washing your hair now you condition it. I'm talking about deep conditioning now. You should condition your hair more often because it helps to moisturize your hair. It's the opposite of washing. Is also bringing about the point or the fourth point where I said wash your hair less. It helps to retain the moisture in your hair, and it stimulates new growth. What I mean about stimulate new growth is that when you moisturize your hair, it brings about moisture, like it retains the moisture in your hair, and when there is moisture in your hair, it stimulates the new growth of your hair. If you want your hair to be longer, do deep condition your hair. And one thing I noticed, apart from this, what I just want to give you like an hint. One thing I noticed about deep conditioning is that it makes my hair softer. I have this dry ash hair, so when I deep condition it and I comb it makes my hair softer. So thank you all for watching this video. If you do like my video, subscribe, like, share, and bye.